this was a movement that was parallel to Vedic religious movement, but it was totally in contrast. It was not believing in the rituals, it was not believing, don't write it down, I will give you notes, right? So this Sramana people, this Sramana renunciants, this Sramana, those who left became the monks, were not the followers of Vedas, okay? They were against Vedas. They were against Brahmanism. They were against this later Vedic, the religion that was of the later Vedic people. They were just against to that. They were running parallel to the Vedic religion, but they were against to it. This was the Sramana movement. That idea was growing during 6th century BC. और उसमें से क्या हुआ, उसमें से particular this with a few features, strong features and strong ideas, this Jainism and Buddhism came out. There were around 62, it is said that around 62 school of philosophical thoughts, different thoughts were there during that time, but this too became very important. Getting the idea?